Which one of the following best defines the term state? A. A community of persons permanently occupying a definite territory independent of external control, and possessing an organized government. B. A politically organized people of a definite territory and possessing an authority to govern them, maintain law and order, protect their natural rights and safeguard their means of sustenance. C. A number of persons who have been living in a definite territory for a very long time with their own culture, tradition and government. D. A society permanently living in a definite territory with a central authority, an executive responsible to the central authority and an independent judiciary. Ans. A. Which one is the most prominent element of a state? A. Flag. B. Capital. C. Sovereignty. D. Head of state. Ans. C. With reference to the sovereignty of India, which of the following statements are correct? A. India is a member of Commonwealth of Nations. Though sovereignty of India is curtailed due to its membership of Commonwealth of Nations. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 or 2 both. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Ans. A. The idea of the preamble has been borrowed in Indian Constitution from the Constitution of A. Italy. B. Canada. C. France. D. USA. Ans. D. Constitution of India provides which type of governance system? A. Democratic. B. Presidential. C. Parliamentary. D. Semi-democratic. Ans. C. INA parliamentary system of government. A. Judiciary controls executive. B. Executive controls judiciary. C. Executive controls legislature. D. Legislature controls executive. Ans. D. A parliamentary system of government is one in which A. All political parties in the parliament are represented in the government. B. The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. C. The government is elected by the people and can be removed by them. D. The government is chosen by the parliament but cannot be removed by it before completion of a fixed term. Ans. B. The parliamentary form of government was first introduced in which country? A. Great Britain, UK. B. Belgium. C. France. D. Switzerland. Ans. A. The Indian parliamentary system is different from the British parliamentary system in that India has A. Both a real and a nominal executive. B. A system of collective responsibility. C. Bicameral legislature. D. The system of judicial review. Ans. D. We adopted parliamentary democracy based on the British model. But how does our model differ from that model? A. As regards legislation, the British Parliament is supreme or sovereign, but in India, the power of the Parliament to legislate is limited. Though, in India, matters related to the constitutionality of the amendment of an Act of the Parliament are referred to the Constitution Bench by the Supreme Court. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Ans. C. Which one of the following is not the feature of Indian Constitution? A. Parliamentary government. B. Presidential government. C. Independence of judiciary. D. Federal government. Ans. B. Which one of the following is incorrect about the Indian political system? A. Secular state. B. Parliamentary system of the government. C. Federal policy. D. Presidential system of the government. Ans. D. There is parliamentary system of government in India because the A. Lok Sabha is elected directly by the people. B. Parliament can amend the constitution. C. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. D. Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. Ans. D. The main advantage of the parliamentary form of government is that A. The executive and legislature work independently. B. It provides continuity of policy and is more efficient. C. The executive remains responsible to the legislature. D. The head of the government cannot be changed without election. Ans. C. In the context of India, which of the following principles are implied institutionally in the parliamentary government? A. Members of the cabinet are the members of the parliament. Though ministers hold the office till they enjoy confidence in the parliament. 3. The cabinet is headed by the head of the state. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2. B. Only 3. C. 2 and 3. D. All of these. Ans. A. Which one of the following statements is correct regarding parliamentary form of government? A. The legislature is responsible to judiciary. B. The legislature is responsible to executive. C. The legislature and the executive are independent. D. The president is responsible to judiciary. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. A. Out of the following statements, choose the one that brings out the principle underlying the cabinet form of government. A. An arrangement for minimizing the criticism against the government whose responsibilities are complex and hard to carry out to the satisfaction of all. B. A mechanism for speeding up the activities of the government whose responsibilities are increasing day by day. C. A mechanism of parliamentary democracy for ensuring collective responsibility of the government to the people. D. A device for strengthening the hands of the head of the government whose hold over the people is in a state of decline. Ans. C. In a presidential government, all the executive powers are vested in a. President. B. Cabinet. C. Legislature. D. Upper House. Ans. A. The cardinal features of political system in India are: 1. It is a democratic republic. 2. It has a parliamentary form of government. 3. The supreme power vests in people of India. 4. It provides for a unified authority. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A. 1 and 2. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. All the 4. Ans. B. Consider the following statements. 1. India is a democratic polity. 2. India is a sovereign state. 3. India has a democratic society. 4. India is a welfare state. Which of the above statements are true? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ans. D.